they're on their phones and they think, oh, that's a simple skill. It's not a simple skill, right? It's not. It doesn't take skill to shit post, right? There's no skill in shit posting. Like, hey, do, upload. That's it. It doesn't take skill to shit post, right? But most people that are quote unquote successful, what people would consider successful, they're not shit posting. They still have to edit. Some people just take one take, right? They'll just do one take video and just upload it, right? Because they got the fan base to do that, right? So like say Ordinary Gamers, I think there's an Indian dude, right? I think like he just kind of takes, well, no, he edits his videos, right? He edits his videos anyway, right? So there's people that edits like Sticks and Hammer, right? He's a commentary. He just sits down, talks, does his one take, and then he's done, right? There's no editing involved with that. There's no pictures. There's no go to screen number 1 and 2. There's none of that. Just sit down, record.